Hi, I'm Tyson with Adventure Rig, and today we're talking helmet audio. This is the Domio Ripper, and it's unlike any helmet audio that I've ever tried before. So if you've seen some of the other stuff that's on the market, everything that I've personally seen goes in the ear cups of your helmet and their speakers. However, with the Ripper, it's completely different. So this device attaches to the outside of your helmet, and it actually reverberates through the helmet, delivering this really deep, crisp sound. It's pretty crazy, something that you almost need to try to really believe. Let's talk about what this is and what it isn't to start with. So it's a Bluetooth audio listening device. What that means is it doesn't have any cords, it's Bluetooth 5.0, you can wirelessly connect it to your cell phone. It also plays music. What doesn't it do? It does not answer phone calls. So there's no speaker with this. You can't talk to Siri. You can't answer phone calls or anything like that. Really, you can specifically just listen to music. But your listening experience is out of this world. What I've found for this to work optimally is you need a helmet with ear flaps. If you have a full face helmet, it actually works even better. But a helmet with ear flaps works just fine. If you don't have a helmet with a liner, it still works, but it really doesn't sound that great, and you need this device turned all the way up so that you can even hear a little bit of it inside the helmet. So I definitely recommend something with ear flaps, or again, that full face. On the top of the helmet is where I have this mounted. You can mount it on different areas of the helmet, but I've found that for it to sound the best, it does work well on the top. Right in the center, you have your power button to easily turn it on, as well as your volume button up and volume down. You can also skip forward to the next song or go to the previous song by using long holds on the up and down buttons on the top here. And the middle button functions as your play pause. Right now I do have this connected to my phone, so if I hit the center button, it'll start playing. I'm gonna stop talking so you can hear how loud this is on the exterior of the helmet. With the current volume, that's kind of where I like it for the inside sound. Now, just holding the helmet like I'm doing, I can actually feel the sound coming through it. Specifically right here in the front, I can really feel the bass. So if you like a deep bass, this is an awesome system to go with. It does have a ton of battery life, up to 24 hours. I found that if it's extremely cold, we spent a couple days in Steamboat where it was -20 in the morning, the battery doesn't want to last the full 24 hours when you're skiing multiple days like that. But normal temps, say 20 degrees, I can get a lot of battery life out of this. It's also easy to charge. On the back, it has this flap. You can flip that down and it exposes the charging port, and they do include the cord in order to charge it. Another nice thing is how this attaches to the helmet. It comes with two mounts right out of the box. So you can see that I have it mounted right now on my green helmet. However, I found that I really wear my black one most of the time. And so I like that I can really switch this with the two mounts that they provide. And to get it off, you just pinch these two pieces together and slide backwards, and it slips right off. And it's very easy to get back on. Just slide it forward and it clicks right into place. There are a few drawbacks with this system that I've found. The first being, if I'm listening to music, I'm not the only one that can hear it, since it's transmitting the sound out of this device. So if I'm in the ski line or if I'm on the lift, everyone near me can hear the music. If I'm listening to Taylor Swift, I don't necessarily want everyone to know that. I'm a little bit of a closet Taylor Swift fan. Also, it sticks up off the helmet a little bit, and I don't love the look. I can't put it down on the side because the goggle strap gets in the way. So for me, it kind of needs to be up there, as well as it sounds the best up there. Also, the buttons on the top, I can't feel them with gloves on. It would be nice if there was a little bit of separation in the button, or if they were raised slightly between the buttons so that I could easily feel which button I'm on. Again, those are just my personal drawbacks, and they may not be as big of a deal to you. I have seen that they also offer a Moto Pro version, so not only can you use this skiing, but they have other versions out there. So the Moto Pro actually has comms in it, so you can talk to other people or use your phone. I would love the phone usage for this one as well, so we'll see what they work up in the future, but I'm really excited for that. I'd love to try out that Moto Pro version because I think for me personally, that's where this system would be the most beneficial on a motorcycle in a full face helmet. On my black helmet, I've worn this a lot paragliding. I really like it in that situation because I can hear my surroundings just a little bit better versus having earbuds in my ears. With those, even if the music's not playing, I still have this device blocking my ear, so if people are wanting to talk to me or give me a heads up that they're around me, I can't hear them. With this, it is a little bit easier to hear. For sure, if I pause the music, I can absolutely hear without any issues. If you find yourself skiing in wet conditions, this is also water resistant, so it's gonna continue working. Again, this is the Domio Ripper. If you guys have any questions about it, please leave them in the comment section below and we'll get back to you. Also, we do have a discount code for this, so if you wanna purchase it, make sure to put the code in. Appreciate you guys watching. If you were wondering where we are, what we're up to, check us out on Facebook and Instagram at Adventure Rig. Thanks again for watching. I'm Tyson with Adventure Rig.